AWS Solutions Architects Associate C03 version update. We have started with 2 batches. First batch is successfully completed. Second batch is also running successfully. It will be completed in 2 weeks. Now we are starting the third batch. We are starting the third batch in the evening slot between 8 to 9:30 p.m. We are starting this batch on Solution Architect Associate C03 version. We will discuss 71 AWS services in this batch. We will also discuss 60+ services out of 71 services. We will also discuss 10 to 15 services concept-wise. So in total we will cover 71 AWS services in this course. We have covered 71 services in the previous batch. So you will get the same knowledge as you get with AWS experience. We will do practical demos and hands-on on every service we discuss. We will also use CloudFormation templates in the hands-on, so that you can use the infrastructure automation. We will create the same set of resources manually. We will do the same kind of demo multiple times. We will take all the resources like VPC, EC2, networking, S3 buckets. We will use CloudFormation templates in the day-to-day basis. You can use it through console or CloudFormation. We will use AWS command line interface. We will also discuss Docker and Kubernetes. It will be a stepping stone for DevOps. We will discuss Docker and Kubernetes in DevOps. We will discuss basic to medium level work, so that you will get an idea what are the containers. What is Docker and Kubernetes? How to do it hands-on. How to benefit from it. We will do it hands-on. We will also do demos on Docker and Kubernetes. We will do 8 different projects. In different ways like networking, migration, load balancer, auto-scaling. We will do 8 different projects. For infrastructure engineers, AWS engineers, cloud engineers. You can take any experience and do the same. You can take any experience and do the same. We will also add JSON and ML. Both are very important. We will use ML scripting in every automation language. We will teach you how to use ML scripting. We will teach you how to use ML scripting. JSON and ML. JSON will be used in IAM policies and CloudFormation templates. ML will be used in CloudFormation templates. ML and JSON are very important. You can take Terraform or any other configuration language like Ansible. You can take these and learn ML scripting. You can take Terraform or any other configuration language like Ansible. We will include JSON and ML in this. We will include JSON and ML in this. We will start this course from April 24th. Timings will be from 8 to 9:30 p.m. We will continue the session from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be holidays. Total 2 months course will be run. Course fees will be Rs. You will get recording videos for everyday sessions. You will get lifetime access. You can access videos and revise them. I am adding a WhatsApp group link in the description. If you are interested in batch, you can join. I am posting frequent updates. If you want updates about batch, you can join the WhatsApp group. We are posting updates about batch so that you can access them. The course will start from April 24th. If you have pre-registered, we will share the first 10 session videos. You can join the group and we will post the session videos. You can join the group and we will post the session videos. You can join the group and we will post the session videos. You can check the community posts for the latest updates. I am adding the same image links in the description. That's all for this video.